fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might.
Another day, another vlog. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you and welcome to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still.
Good morning, pineapples. Looking good, looking very nice, very nice. I'm going to get to do my nails, do my hair today. It's maintenance day. So yeah, just came here to say hi. I'm speaking so low. People are sleeping. So let me show you my shirt. Natural hair, coconut oil, Leka White music, Ombeki oil. Let's get this hair done, nails done. I've never done this shape before, so I'm happy I did it. So cute. And I did my hair. I did a poll on Instagram for people to choose a hairstyle for me. I did 3 hairstyles. I'm having my energy bar, few hours to the gym.
I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go.
All I can say, today was a great day. I was still the only person at the gym for like 30 minutes. I just want to do a roundup of some favorite things I'm currently loving, and I want to add this part of the video to the vlog that I currently have, because I feel like the vlog is too short and I get people complaining, your vlog is too short, your vlog is too short. Okay, so let's start with beauty products. So the first beauty product is Even Sun sunscreen. Now this one is for kids, but I just finished the ones for adults, but this one was on sale when I went to Clicks. I love it so much. It does not leave a white cast, and I personally cannot live without sunscreen. This is just me. I can't live without sunscreen, so this is my favorite. I'm loving it. Second favorite is these feminine wipes. As a girl, you just need feminine wipes, okay? You just need them. They come in handy, you know. I have these two. I have the black and white one, and I have the fresh mask one. This one was inspired by Mama. Mama was using this and she smells so nice, and then I got this one, and I love them also because I'm a gym girl now. I go to the gym now, so I need them. I need to smell fresh, like it's Shield motion activated. I also love the Even Tone Roll On. If you're struggling with your uneven underarms, maybe try it. Highly recommend. Since we are talking about the gym, I have this Muscle Intensive Treatment Menthol. I bought this from Super B. It helps so much. Like the first week of me going to the gym, I suffered. I could not sit on the toilet, trust me. And last week I did abs. Yo guys, it felt like somebody was stepping on me or jumping on me or something. Let's talk hair products I'm loving. They're from Soft and Free. This is the black castor olive oil anti-dandruff moisturizing braid oil. Anything that is anti-dandruff for me, I have dry scalp, is the best. And this one smells so good and it just helps. And also I found this cannabis shea butter scalp therapy works wonders. It relieves your scalp from itching, from tightness, from anything. This is so good. I gravitate towards flare pants, cargo pants more than the skinnies, because I feel like the skinnies are just too tight and too constricting. Like best trouser are from Big Daddy. They're these olive green pants. They have these deep pockets, and the legs are like this. The next, a flare trouser like this, and it has flare legs, so flowy. And this is from Tikama Collections on Instagram. Check them out. They currently have sale, and they also sell some other content creation essentials. This is a top. It's a crop top. It has these 2 strings. I'll show it nicely to you guys. And yeah, it's like this. And this is size small. I'm currently loving this color. Comment down below. Olives. Last but not least of my things I'm currently loving, YouTubers. I picked 4 YouTubers and I have a lot of YouTubers that I watch on a daily, but these are just the YouTubers that I discovered last year. We are going to start with local. We have Deshi Vatuva. She has a nice personality. Her personality is so good. Her vlogs are so fun, are so interesting. You would not want them to end. Like, I like watching her vlogs. Like, come on, join the subish. She's so good. Please check her out. I love her. And then South Africans, we have Lerato Kumaro. I also discovered her last year. Everything that she does, relatable and so authentic. I love her vlog so much. She's so good. Love that girl to bits. Love her. Lisa Victor, she's Nigerian. I also discovered her last year. Her fashion on Instagram, her vlogs. She's just so good. She's so good. And the last is Mandalile. Mandalile is couple, 2 people. Lila is from South Africa and Mandaraka is from Kenya. They met on TikTok. I just love following their love story. I love following their love story. They were doing the 90-day 90-day fiance, but on YouTube, on their own YouTube channel, 90-day fiance, if I'm not wrong. And then she went to Kenya. She stayed there for 90 days. She went back home. Madaraka went to South Africa. Now they are back to Kenya. Like, I love watching their channel so much, and they're so blessed. People just love them so much, and I love watching their love story. So interesting to watch. So this is just a roundup of the few things I'm currently loving. So if you're still watching, thank you so much for staying. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe, like, and comment. Please like for the algorithm. The more you like, the more YouTube recommends the channel to other people, you know. And yeah, comment the olives, then I'll know that you watched until the end. I'm gonna love you and leave you. I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.